Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I have with me Genesis GV60, the electric car, one of the most impressive electric car on the market in terms of quality, one of the car that didn't get the marketing that it deserved, and today I have the chance to test drive it for 25 minutes and I will try to give you as many information as possible about this Genesis GV60. Also, I have to tell you guys, I look at the car, it's kind of the first time when I see it, and I was impressed to see the quality materials, the rims, the braking calipers, every single detail in the car. It looks really nice and it feels very good. Also the quality of the handles, the quality inside the car, electric seats, all kind of comfort features, even the door quality, it's really good. It looks really nice here. Also, I notice a few elements that are crazy premium. First of all, let me put the seat belt, and then as we drive I will give you more information about the car. So even the pedals, we have aluminum pedals, really good quality. I like the center console and I like this stalk, I should say, where you can change the gear shifter. It looks really nice. And when you start the car here, you will see that it kind of rotate, and then from here you can put it in different gears. It looks so different and premium while you're here. And even though what I notice is that Genesis collaborate with Hyundai Group, I see that they even improve the multimedia. Even though a few things are kind of the same, I see that it's even better than what they did, and that's something that I like very much and was really impressive for me. Anyway, the seats quality, great visibility around the car. This is the version, I think Sport Plus version, right? Is the Sport Plus version that comes with 490 horsepower is the top speed, 2 electric motors, one in the front, one on the rear. The range, estimated range, I think 460 kilometer VLTP. Yeah, and also it kind of have all that great technology from Hyundai Group with the motors and the battery. And I think you can also, it has V2L, that means you can also send the energy to other things, right, from the charger port.
Vehicle to load.
Yeah, vehicle to load, right. And then it has also those pedals where you can regenerate the energy. It has like 3 levels plus 1 pedal drive, and we will try this out. And also I like this camera here because the car comes with 360 degrees cameras. You can see right here, like the new BMW have this system, and Genesis has before BMW, and you can see right here in the front how cool it looks, the camera, and you can see right ahead. So yeah, let's drive it. First of all, press the brake, put it in drive. You just have to rotate it in drive, and right now the car is ready to drive. From here we turn the signals. Also, it comes with a head-up display that it's directly on the windscreen, and I like how nice it's blending the screen there. Great visibility. And also, first impression, the car, it's quite silent. We go straight away, or
if you want to start, like, you can go late.
very silent inside. I mean, the sound insulation is quite good.
Because there's double glass.
It's double glass?
Yeah,
really?
Double glass.
Wow, nice. That way I barely hear noise from outside. You know the price of the car? This GV60 Sport Plus?
Sport Plus, the starter price is 78.
Around
78,000 Swiss francs.
Around 78 is the starting price, and then you can add some options,
exactly.
right?
So top options, you can add it final price like around, you have to add around 17,000 more. From this car, like, we have 3 versions: premium, sport Plus.
Yeah, cool. And this is full option that we
this
have here?
one,
or it's like
actually full option.
Full option with glass panoramic glass roof, 360 degrees, head-up display, and autopilot, and right, it has also, I think, cruise control.
Leather, also comfortability.
Nice. Yeah, it feels premium here. This is Alcantara, I think, on the roof everywhere, right? This is great quality. Also the pedals feel smooth and nice, and then the driving feeling, it's like you're driving a premium car. It's like you're driving a Mercedes. It's kind of that feeling.
There is something beautiful I can show you here, like it's audio, so you can, as a driver, if you don't wanna like to disturb you with a lot of music,
yeah,
so
you can change
make
it.
this exactly.
Nice.
Which means
nice, you can
like in this corner there's a music,
less,
but not that huge.
yeah, and
in the rest
yeah,
of the car.
yeah,
or we can keep it like this.
Send it in the middle, so center.
In the middle.
Cool.
Also, the same this. Like there's.
Yeah, like for the passenger.
Exactly. For just I keep the music from this, sound speakers, or from these sound speakers, or I keep it from all sound speakers. It's like more comfortable for the driver to focus, or Right now we are on level 1 recuperation, so if I go to, let's go slowly, for example, to 1 pedal, we have I pedal. That means you accelerate, and when you release the acceleration, the car will recuperate the energy back into the battery. And what I notice, it's quite strong, and I like that. You don't even need to use the brake, at least in the city. If you can anticipate the traffic, it works just the same as you probably see in Hyundai Ioniq 5. I think it has the same kind of the same system. Now here we go like right here. Okay, great. Also the suspensions feel good. We have also a boost button here on the steering wheel. That means when you press this button, the car will give you for 10 seconds the maximum power. This is super cool feature to have on the highway, or when you need a little bit of extra power. Then you have here another button on the steering wheel. When you press it, you have like free driving modes: eco, comfort, and sport mode. And it's like super convenient not to stretch out here for this button. You have it here on the steering wheel, much easy. And also there's something when you put sport mode, the chair, the seat will like hug you. Yeah, I noticed that. I was wondering what I pressed something wrong. I was like, I pressed something wrong here because the seats start. No. The seat like in sport mode. Yeah, I feel like it hold you. Or if another mode, but you drive over than 120. Yeah, it's automatically come and like hug you to make you stable and not move with high speed. I go straight away, or it doesn't matter, huh? No, it feels really cool. It has also come with massage in the seats, and I think ventilated seats as well, and heated seats right here. Yeah, it has so many cool features. You probably pay for this car with all these options. If you will buy a Mercedes, probably over 120,000, and this one it's under 100,000 full option, right? Yeah. And it has like how many years warranty on Genesis cars? We have 5 battery, 8 years guarantee. Yeah, and the car in general. In general 5 years called we call it here inspection, which means normally with the normal cars with diesel and benzene there's like oil change, filters change, control, general control. This sometimes we do it like for free. Anything. Ah, cool. In any case happened, like during these 5 years, you can call like our GPA, the assistants, and like you just inform them there is a problem or anything, and then they will like up to you. They take the car, whatever happened, like how long it takes, like 10 days, 1 week, whatever. So they give you spare car, so till your car get fixed, repaired. So in 5 years you don't have to worry about anything. You just drive the car, and then if something happened, you just call Genesis. And that's nice to know, because many people ask in my videos, like, oh, this car is reliable. I mean, I say like, if you have warranty in these 5 years or how much warranty you get. You don't have to worry about warranty after
exactly.
that.
Battery,
just,
like by electrical cars, battery 8 years. And,
yeah, that's
5 years guarantee for say like inspection.
yeah. Go like home from here, and then you have like navigation.
Exactly. So
Because I don't know to go back.
no, it's already saved here.
Cool.
Like, can go to this street.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And then it should load. Nice. It has a nice
Shows you,
feeling
like,
added to it.
the
Loading
or the stations
charging
where-
station.
Exactly. So we are here.
Nice. Cool. So
Tells
now,
you-
and I like also this display here on the climatic system. It looks so nice, so
There's
good.
it's
Very
something
social.
you kind of burst it. There's some metal things like you still have the feelings like you are the driver. I mean,
Yeah.
this is something I like it in Genesis.
Yeah.
Usually in the new cars, especially electric cars, like they focus about making a huge screen in the middle with some seats, and
Yeah.
that's it. I would like. It's really great, like to have these things,
Yeah.
this feeling like a driver.
Also, it's good visibility in the mirror, and also I like these small edges on the mirror up here. It looks so everything. It looks and feel premium, and even the head-up display, you can see information there. You can see information on the camera in front because it comes with this augmented reality, and you can see it also right here on the first time Mercedes was come with this, and it was only, and now on Mercedes it's only on the navigation here, and now BMW bring it here, but Genesis already have all. But when you change the right,
There's
it comes also with the cool, with the camera left and right when you turn the signals.
Totwinkel, or they call it
Yeah,
the blind spot.
cool. So you have so many features here. I like it. Bang and Olufsen speakers is really good quality. Sound system it's fabulous. I like the car. I really like it. Guys, if you want to see a full review with the car and also more in-depth test drives and information about Genesis cars, I wait you next week's. I think I will be able to film it, and I will make a proper in-depth reviews and information with the cars. And it has also some nice ambient light inside here. I see the buttons, background in blue, a nice bluish color. We will go back now.
Yeah, it's completely okay.
I think we still have time, right?
Yeah, for sure. Like, most important thing,
In
around 1 o'clock we have to be there.
so here,
Sure.
go
Also,
back.
like, there's air.
Ventilation. Yeah, I see
Yeah,
that.
you
It's
can
just
make it-
really
you can,
cool in the
like,
summer.
warm it,
It's,
or you can make it colder.
yeah,
As you prefer for summer right now.
yeah. This feature is great.
Exactly.
I wish I have it on my car too. But Tesla still didn't bring this ventilation on the seats. Even on the Model X, you don't have ventilation, if I remember well. So I think we go straight, right? 600 meter we go, like, right?
Yeah, it's
Okay, cool. Oh, it feels really premium. I film and I see many cars that comes from Asia, and this one really, I think it's the best new brand of electric cars that comes on the market with such a good quality. BID, it's also a new brand, but it doesn't compare with Genesis in terms of quality. And
Actually, this car, GV60,
yeah,
it's the same platform, Hyundai Ioniq 5, the same platform,
yeah,
EV6 Kia.
yeah,
The same
right,
platform,
same
but-
platform, right?
But
And
we
this-
focus more about luxury, we focus more about
Yeah, it's more-
comfortability.
Yeah, it feels more premium here to be. And also this feature in the cockpit, it's much better than in Hyundai and Kia as well.
Yeah.
They didn't have this
Yeah,
until
exactly.
now,
I mean,
and-
I'm not trying to say anything against
Yeah.
them, but just like trying to
yeah,
compare.
no,
I
I
already today was in Kia EV6. Well, it's really great, good looking outside.
Yeah.
With sport taste, but actually, if you wanna talk about inside interior, Genesis still like trying to keep her vehicles and
more
luxury
premium.
mode.
Yeah, right. It's kind of a brand, a premium brand.
Exactly.
Something like it's Porsche for Volkswagen or something like that.
Yeah, exactly. In Korea, it's the premium brand.
Really?
Actually,
Yeah,
there is a car called the limousine
G90, yeah.
G90, and still it's not in the Europe
Europe,
mark.
no.
It's still not in Europe mark, but actually we deliver it for Berlin for the Korean embassy.
Yeah.
And it's the only car, and it's really huge.
I think
It's
I
completely like
have to.
exactly like
Yeah.
that. It's completely like S-Class Mercedes or something like my brand.
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to say,
If I go.
luxury brand, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, no, it's really good. It's like so much traffic in Zurich. I kind of have a lot of time when for a long time I didn't drive in a so crowded city, but it feels nice to be here, and it's crazy silent. It's so much traffic and buses and trams, and you hear nothing from outside. This is impressive. The ventilation on the seats are working, and they are working really cool. Great visibility also in the mirrors, nice mirrors. Also here, good quality. Alright guys, so now we are almost done with the test drive. It was a pleasure to drive this Genesis GV60. I didn't expect to be that good, and as a first impression I'm super impressed. It's a really well built car, really premium car. Love it. Anyway, if you want to find out more information, if you want to see the full review, I will have separate videos as soon as I have more time. I will make a few videos about the car, and I will present you, because I think it's totally deserved to present those cars. I think they didn't get the marketing that they deserve. And look at the 360 degrees camera. It's really good. And the quality of the cameras, it's really great. Nice. And you can see also 360 degrees, I think. Yeah, look at this. Super nice. Anyway, press the park. Now you're in the park, and then one more time, and then it's rotate. Is cool, and it has an ambient light, right? Red one. Super cool. Okay, another cool feature that I want to show you guys is that you can summon the car the same as you summon the Tesla, for example. You can summon also this Genesis GV60, and also it has this cool feature that you can summon the car forward and backward, and after you start the engine, then you can also do it from the key. And you can see right now it's nobody inside the car, and it goes a little bit backwards. This is very useful when you have a tight parking place, and also the car will stop automatically when it feels that behind it's something, you know, like it has sensors and it has this safety feature. So this is also cool that I want to show you. And also the car have another cool feature. When it park itself, you just go inside the car, you go to a place where you can park it, and then you just press the button inside, and then the car will park itself. Cool features, and I want to integrate it in the video, so to know about it. Okay guys, that was a test drive, a short one, but in the future I will make a full review, another test drives, and more information comes soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you want to see the car, you just contact Genesis. I will leave the link in the description. So that was the video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you soon. Bye guys.